Okay everyone, this video about the tiny house on a wheel with the dimension around 2.5 and 4 meter approximately. Okay, we can see for surrounding of this tiny house design maybe. It's just small and compact tiny house with Scandinavian, maybe with the Scandinavian style. We can see about the window on the outside of the design anyway. We can see, and this tiny house in above of this wheel anyway. This tiny house is above on this wheel. Okay, we can try to go to the interior on this tiny house anyway. You can see about the roof, it has some solar panel over there. Okay, and then we can try to, okay, this is about the interior of this tiny house. This is a ground floor of this tiny house. It has letter L or L-shaped bench in this area, in this living room space right there, and it has a small stair to go to the loft bed anyway. Then in the bottom of this stair has kitchen with a cabinet. It has sink, one sink space, and cooker right there. And we can see what the bathroom. This is just small bathroom of this tiny house anyway. You can see for the bathroom design, it has one wastafel, closet, and shower cabin anyway. Okay, we can look around for the top tiny house of or this loft bed area. Okay, this is loft bed area. This it just small loft bed with elevation between the floor of the loft bed until the ceiling is around maybe approximately 1 meter, and we can see from the loft bed area right there, we can see to the bottom space or the ground floor anyway from this loft bed. And in the loft bed has two window, with the side window and the front window right there. Okay, we can look for the another side. Okay, it has two window for this living room on the back side of this tiny house, and on the right of this tiny house as a window and curved window like this, and it has one small window on the top of this wall of this tiny house anyway. And this tiny house, most of all of this material with wood plank right there, so it just look rustic tiny house anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching for this video, and I hope you would get a lot of benefit and insight from this design of this tiny house. And just wait for my next video in this channel anyway. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.